What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna take a look at the Jeep Moab. This is actually the first time I have taken the roof off, so I'm kind of excited about that. Today got something special for you guys. Actually, for Christmas I picked up Alien Sunshade, so we're gonna go ahead and pull this sucker out and see how it looks and install that real quick. So real quick, opening up the box, looks like you get a couple sets of instructions. Now this is the two-piece, so you have the front unit and you have the back unit, and looks like you got a little sticker with that, kind of cool. You got one set here of bungees, got a little alien guy in there, and a second set of bungees. I'm guessing this is for the front set, so we'll start with the front set here first. See if we can figure out what piece here is which. They tell you to lay this out in the sun. So we'll go ahead and lay this one out. That means, by process of elimination, this must be the front piece. Like that. So we'll set this out for a moment as well while we get these bungees started in the front. Now this comes with a tool to pull through the front bungees. So we have short, regular, and extra long, looks like. And then these T-bars with the adapter. Woo! Parts flying everywhere. I think I got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's get started on the front. So this looked easy enough in the videos that I've seen and the other things I've seen online. So we'll go ahead and do this. Take the tool, it slides in there. And my understanding is that this goes right down through there. Sure enough, if you guys can see that, it's now popping out underneath. You grab the clip, and it's this little short end that you want to put, from my understanding, right down on the bungee. So you can put that in there, move the tool out of the way, and that clip goes in there. Now we've got that in there. So then you grab the next one, and that pulls through. We're going to do the same thing on this one with one of these little clips. And there's the metal under there. You pull that right through. You grab these medium bungees, and that pulls the side of it on. So while we were doing that, this was sitting out. I'm going to go ahead and bungee these in. There's your T. Pull it and make the T. So then you can adjust this side to side. Looks like you can get your fitment just right, but it looks like, I guess, pretty darn well there without measuring or doing anything special. All right, so let's grab these other bungees. Got a bungee with a ball. My understanding of this is that these pop right through here. I hope this camera's angled right on my head here. Just pull it down underneath. and then back over the ball. And you repeat that on both sides. So that leaves us to the real long one and the medium one. So I believe the medium one is next. We'll open this door and feed it through the eye there. There you go. I guess we'll do the long one while we're over here as well. So again, fishing that through the eye. Man, that's nice and secure. It's even better than I thought it would be. As you can tell, those creases are coming right out just from being up here. Let's see, dump this out. 2 super long, 4 mediums, and 6 of the smalls, shorts. Now we know the super long ones are probably going in that center section, I would bet. So let's knock those suckers out. This way you get Alien Sunshade on the top, but in this way you get it towards the bottom, so if you're sitting down in the Jeep you can see it. I would imagine that's how they intended it. You can tell by these grommets the way that they feed, and with the nice stitching you would want that towards the inside, towards people sitting in on the interior. So I'm guessing these longer ones go in the back. I think you guys get the gist of it. And the last one back here. So take 3 of these short ones. We have 3 final ones here, 3 final bungees. All locked in. All in all, this is fantastic. I appreciate all our subscribers. We broke 100 subscribers. Little alien guys bounce off the top here. But really appreciate it. All right, we got that install done. Let's go take it for a drive and see how we like it. So that install went rather easily, if you ask me. We'll see if this flaps around or if we're pretty rock solid with it. We'll give it a go. So far so good. Nothing's flapping around making any kind of noises. I'm digging it. I'll do a follow-up report on this, of course, after I've had it on here for a little while, been able to drive it with the top down. Probably follow up in, I don't know, 3 or 4 months, so I have some actual time with it on here. But we'll let you guys know what we think of it. The install is easy, the material feels fantastic, feels like high-end mesh. I'm really happy with it. What it kind of feels like is like you got sunglasses on, only you're sitting in your Jeep with it. You still get sun through it, you still have plenty of light, but it definitely makes a difference. I would say this was a mod worth doing. I'd recommend it to other people. Money well spent. Again, this was a Christmas gift to me for my wife. She actually picked this up shortly after I had bought the Jeep and held on to it for Christmas. So this is not a sponsored ad or anything like that. It's just another Jeep guy putting on a Jeep mod. One that I've wanted to do on the last 3 Jeeps that I've had and never got around to it. And this time, finally got it done. And I'm really digging it. I think it's really nice. Alright guys, we're back home now. I want to show you that you can put the top back on with this in place. And a couple other things I noticed during my drive home that I wanted to let you guys know about. So, got half this top on so you guys can see this. But you'll notice that this sits a good bit lower. And if you're a short person, this isn't a problem. But for some of us, we're pretty darn close to that. But one thing you can do is you can pull these straps back and shift the ball upwards, and that gives you a little bit more room, which isn't a whole lot, but it's enough that it makes a difference for us taller people. And then to get these top panels back on, you just pull this out of the way and go ahead, get in there and strap these in, strap them out. And this one, pull it down, pull it in, pull it back over top. You're all set to go. So that's pretty easy, straightforward. Just wanted to let you guys know about that. Let you know about this top being a little bit lower. But if it's a problem for anybody, this bar in the back would be a problem for you too. So you should be pretty good with that. But yeah, you can still put these panels back on top. And wanted to let you guys know about that. But I think that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.